The 306 polling parties from 4 constituencies of West Jaintia Hills district reached back safe and sound along with EVM and VVPAT equipment yesterday. Speaking to Deputy District Election Officer M.A. Shalam informed that the overall turnout of voters in the district was 89.73%. All materials from the polling officials were checked and kept in the strong room, which will be taken out on the counting day on March 2nd. The 34 Mukerdep polling station was the first party to return back to the DC office, where systematic order was arranged to submit also required documents and equipment. He also stated that in some polling stations, casting of votes were delayed due to malfunction of equipment and continued beyond the official time.
The entire West Jaintia Hills district, we had a turnout of 89.73%, and this turnout was this is seen as very good, as an improvement on the 2018 elections, LA elections 2018. Parties had arrived, some of them early, some of them late at night, but all of them arrived safely, and everything was in order. All the machines were back safely, and the papers are all in order, and we even had the scrutiny of Form 17A today.